Hi everyone, this is Felisa. Welcome back to Homebody. So in this video, I'm giving you a tour of our master bedroom. At the end of the video, I'll let you know where the items came from, and I'll also show you how the room looked with the lights off. So if you're interested in seeing what I've done, keep watching. Okay, love, so I'm going to briefly tell you where the items came from that we have in our master bedroom. I'm going to be starting over here on this side where the fireplace is. So the fireplace actually came from Wayfair. I'll try to place a link to it below, but I can tell you it's in and out of stock all the time. They have it in white, gray, black, and I think like a brownish looking color. It's a slim fireplace, so it's working perfectly for my space because when we walk in, we don't have to worry about bumping into it. My mantle decor, I did a video. I'll try to place a link below when I did the decor. But these little glam balls here came from Z Gallery. These silver and red came from Home Goods last year. This particular ribbon here with the bling on it here came from Michael's this year actually. And these little poinsettias here came from Hobby Lobby this year. The reindeer came from Michael's. The garland came from Walmart last year. And this, I love this. This came from, I think this came from Home Goods. It's super cute. I love it. And so the stockings came from Hobby Lobby. And panning around here, oh, before I forget, I always like to say the fireplace that you see going on the TV, that's actually one of my videos. I'll leave the link below. Feel free to use it at your leisure. All my candles in this particular room actually came from Home Goods. Let's see here. Let me turn my camera. So the mirrors on the side of my bed is a recent purchase. I actually took the ones I had here and put them in my master bathroom. I showed you guys that Decorate With Me, I think earlier last week. These mirrors came from Home Goods. They were very affordable. I think they were like 70 bucks a piece. It beats paying, you know, the $300-400 for those really expensive mirrors. My lamps came from Tuesday Morning. The red trees on my bedside tables came from Home Goods. And the candles that I have on the bedside tables came from Ross last year. So let's see here. My pillows in the back, the two bigger pillows came from Z Gallerie. I paid about 19 bucks for those pillows. The snowflake pillow in the middle here, let me let you see it a little closer. Yeah, so that snowflake pillow in the middle came from Home Goods. I was only able to find one of those. The pillow in the red pillow, the poinsettia pillow, also came from Home Goods. And these beautiful pillows on the side also came from Home Goods. This particular beautiful comforter here came from Home Goods last year, and it came with two pillows that you see on the side of the red pillows. This satin coverlet here came from Amazon. I'll leave my Amazon storefront below, and you can shop this. This red throw here came from Home Goods last year. This bear came from, I think it came from At Home a few years ago. My tray is a Ross hack. This tray was actually brown, and I did a DIY and glammed it up. I put some bling from Hobby Lobby here, and I spray painted it. It's super cute. You can get your hands on these trays at Ross, and you can spray paint them any color that you want and just have at it. Candles from Home Goods. Over here, I placed a link below where I showed you guys how I stuffed my tree and how I made my topper. I did a video on that. But my tree came from King of Christmas. Here's some more of those poinsettias. And let's see, this particular garland came from Z Gallerie. And this came from Hobby Lobby. And I still have the same bling ornaments from Z Gallerie. This from Z Gallerie. Now this one here actually came from Macy's. And this also came from Macy's. And this spray here came from QVC. I love it. It's super cute. It comes in red and gold as well. And the bigger poinsettias underneath the tree came from Hobby Lobby last year. And my reindeer actually came from Z Gallerie last year. I didn't see those at Z Gallerie this year. This is actually a trash can that I just basically put some ribbon around it. And this reindeer over here came from the other one here, it came from the Nutcracker Market last year. And they didn't have the Nutcracker Market this year due to COVID. And my little curtain tie backs came from Amazon. Now guys, I have been waiting for some white velvet drapes to come in the mail. I ordered them from TJ Maxx, and I ordered them October 30th, and today is November 18th, and I still don't have them. So I'm just going to hope that I get them before Christmas comes and go, right? So now on this side of the room, I have my chandelier that was in my living room. Eventually, I think I'm going to put my chandelier back in my living room because I like it better in there. My vanity came from Pier 1. My side table here came from Home Goods. My Ming boxes from Z Gallerie. This mirror here from Home Goods. My Christmas trees at the bottom came from Craftex. My throw came from Z Gallery. My ghost chair came from Home Goods. And over here, I actually purchased this last year from Home Goods. I got it for like $9. And these actually came from, I think they came from Hobby Lobby, if I'm not mistaken. These vases here, I paid about 19 bucks a piece for these vases from Z Gallery, and the candle holders came from Home Goods. My beautiful polar bears, I've had them for a few years now. They came from Z Gallery. They're really, really cute, and they haven't had them since that first year that I saw them. Okay, love, so I purposely did this video at night just so you can get a feel of how this room looks. I call it the night glow. The night glow. So if you're interested in seeing that, just keep watching.